Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you guys how to claim free Toncoin on your Tonkeeper wallet strictly on Telegram. I need you to come close with me, and before that I need you to subscribe on our channel, Online Hustlers Academy. Please subscribe on this channel, it's going to help me a lot. And if you are watching this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, hit the thumbs up. And also, if you have any question, you can drop that on the comment section. I will definitely get back to you on that. Okay, so let's get into the phone and do this straight up. Get your phone ready and let's start. So in order to do this, it's very simple. So guys, here is my Tonkeeper wallet. Font you're seeing on this Tonkeeper wallet was gotten for free, guys. It was gotten for free, and I'm going to be teaching you how I got it step by step. Please pay attention and follow me. You see, everything here is literally zero. All right, everything here is literally zero. I'm going to teach you. All right, guys, click on wallet 2, click on add wallet. Now click on new wallet, put in your password. You wait for it to load. I'm going to choose Snowflakes, save. Yes, this is your new wallet. So now I'm going to settings. You go to settings. Click on backup manually. Continue. Put in your password. Now you will take a screenshot. Literally, you are supposed to copy this thing, but you cannot copy it here. But you take a screenshot. Just take a screenshot. Then we'll do that later and check for password. For backup, check for backup. So you are going to look for the phrase for 2. Go to picture. I'm looking for the screenshotted phrase. Phrase 2 is unveil. Phrase 11. Phrase 11. And you go to phrase 16. Candy. Sorry. Done. So your phrase is backed up successfully. Now you go back. You're going to go back to your wallet. Continue. Your password. You're going to go to the bond Tom. You see the Tonkeeper wallet, the Tonkeeper. You are going to tap it 4 times or 5 times. Just tap it till it display developer mode. It will disappear once it's finished. You see, it has disappeared. You see, developer mode is on at the top. Developer mode is on. Now you go back. You go back to your home page. You click on wallet. Add new wallet. You click testnet this time around. You go to testnet. So on testnet, you're going to put in that recovery phrase. Quickly, if you are using ChatGPT, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to make this easier. I'm going to be using ChatGPT. Pay attention. Select text. Copy the text. Click on ChatGPT. Paste. I'm asking ChatGPT to arrange numerically, to arrange the phrase numerically. Yeah, ChatGPT is actually doing its work. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT to remove the numbers. I'm going to copy it. Select, copy, back to our Toncoin wallet. You paste, it's automatically going to arrange. Then continue. Put in your password. Voila. Then you choose the emoji you want to use. This time I'll just choose this. Save. Now my TextNet wallet is active. I go to receive, copy my receive phrase. Now we are going to Telegram. Pay attention, guys. Activate Telegram. Go to search. You search test giver Ton bot. Search for test giver Ton bot. You see the one with this logo, the test giver with this logo. You click test giver with the logo, the one that came up first with the Ton logo upside down. You click it. Don't click on the other one, please, I beg you. Now you see I've done some transaction here before, and literally this place is supposed to show you start. You show you start button to start. When you start, it will respond, but you just click get coin because I have done it before. I'll put the captcha. It's A50D35. Let's put the captcha. A50D35. That is the captcha. Now it's asking me to put my wallet. I just paste the wallet I copied and send. What will happen here? This test giver would give me 2 Ton to try out my wallet. And check it out. It says request added to queue. I'm going to my Toncoin wallet and to refresh. I'm going to wait and refresh until it appears. All right, so literally this takes like 1 to 5 minutes. If it did not work after 5 minutes, you know that this really did not work, and you do it again. Follow the step. It has appeared. You see I have 2 Toncoin on my Toncoin wallet. It is available, guys. If you don't know how to do this, you can drop a comment in the comment section and I'm going to teach you how to do it. Now I'm going to use my other Telegram wallet to do it. I literally copy my Telegram, the wallet address. I go to my next Telegram account and search for the same test giver Ton wallet, test giver Ton bot rather. I'm going to add, start, solve the captcha, and go on. That's it. A5060E. That was wrong. Incorrect captcha. They're giving me another one. 3CDOC. I'll get this one now. 3CDCDOC. Oh, that was Q, not 0. My bad. Correct. Now it's correct. So I'm going to paste my wallet address. Ton has been sent to the wallet address for test. It has been added to queue, and I'm going to refresh it. I'm going to refresh it to get it. Remember, guys, you can always do this on any Ton wallet you have, any Telegram you have. You do it. All right. I will refresh this page. And let it come up. Okay, guys, I have 3.99 Ton on my Tonkeeper wallet, approximately 4 Ton, and I have $21.55 on my testnet wallet. It's very active for transaction on your bot, Telegram bot. Remember, it's for Telegram bot to carry out tax. They say carry out a tax. You do a transaction of 2 Ton on your wallet for them to give you a bonus, like on cat or dog or X. That's S Empire. You just do the tax here. You get it will reflect and they'll give you your bonus. That is how it is done. That's how I do my own. Okay, guys. So this is the end of the video. Please like, share, and share the update. Let people get them. Let people get it. If you don't understand it, you come to the comment section. You comment. I will definitely reply you. I'll be dropping a link to my Telegram community, WhatsApp community, and my WhatsApp group chat where you drop messages and I get to reply you one-on-one. You get, and if I'm not active, someone will definitely reply you there. You get, because it's a community. We all talk, we communicate. Thank you guys for watching. All right, guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you are able to get your Ton coin to your Tonkeeper wallet. And also, if you have any challenges, you can drop it in the comment section of this video. I will definitely reply you. And if you are having a delay, I'll be dropping the link to my community on Telegram and WhatsApp. Also, our group chat. The link to that will all be on the description of this video. So do well to click them and join them. You can ask questions. If I'm not still active to reply you at that moment, someone will definitely respond to you. All right. So make sure you share this video. Share it to your friends. Don't hide the updates. Share it to your friends. Let them be able to, carry out these transactions and all. Basically, it's for your airdrops, because you cannot withdraw this money per se. So you are using this coin to carry out transaction on your Ton wallet that would validate your airdrop for more bonus and benefit. And one other thing I would want to say, I will be making a video shortly on how to use this Ton token, this Ton coin on your wallet. I will be making a video on how to use this Ton coin to validate a transaction, guys. All right, I'll make a video on how to use this Ton coin to validate a transaction. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will receive notification on any video I post. You'll be the first to receive it. And like this video, guys. The more you like it, the more people get to see the video, and this means a lot to me. Please, I beg you so much to do this for me and support this channel by liking and sharing the video and also subscribing. I love you guys. Stay tuned. God bless you. Peace.